that all of you are doing great. Well, we have all seen one of the worst things happening within the crypto market from the past several months, like the Luna collapse, Three Arrows Capital collapse, the BlockFi filing for the bankruptcy, and obviously the mother of all, the FTX disaster and the collapse that has happened. And literally tens of billions of dollars of the retailers or the normal people's money have been lost. Nobody ever thought something like this is going to happen at this scale, right? And that is how, like the Bitcoin, even the people who have witnessed the past bear market, they say this is one of the most brutal. And literally, it seems as if people are starting to lose whether the hope that probably whether are we going to see the Bitcoin rise again or not. The crypto is over or something like that is happening. But at the same time, you will notice, like if you try to find news, we are heading towards the crypto institution as well as the country's adoption. Like I've given you several instances and made several videos. If you have been following our channel, and again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button, guys. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances to the hill. That's what the goal of this channel is. Having said that, what kind of adoption I'm just talking about. A few days back, I just made a video. The Brazil have legalized the crypto payment throughout the country. Just imagine here parallelly we are watching the kind of collapse never seen before. It seems as if one of the biggest scam is bursting one by one. All the cards are falling. And Brazil at the same time is legalizing the entire crypto payment thing, right? People can pay via the crypto, right? Obviously that is a signal that probably people can even buy crypto. It's a good move, right? Obviously when I'm talking about the crypto, I'm talking about the good ones, right? 90% of them probably would not survive over a period of time. Having said that, we have also seen the Japanese government probably awarding some of the employees in the form of NFT, right? We have also seen one of the biggest institution, probably BlackRock, right, managing tens of trillions of dollars. What is tens of trillions of dollars? Try to see some of the biggest countries' GDP is not even trillions of dollars. Like several countries combined GDP becomes $10 trillion. One institution is controlling that amount of money. They have actually launched the Bitcoin ETF, right? The Bitcoin ETF. And the point here is, okay, if they just had it before itself, yeah, then you can compare it. But now they have moved toward this direction, and that too when everything was on the declining side, right? Everything was on the declining side. Having said that, we had one of the biggest reputed institution, Fidelity, offering, apart from the 401ks and all the other offerings that they have, the retirement account, they've even offered within the retirement account the Bitcoin investment for the users, right? We are talking the NFTs, the Instagram about to launch the NFT marketplace where people can buy and sell. Just imagine 1 billion users will be able to buy and sell the NFT, whether they know about it or not. Eventually, they will be giving the guidelines and stuff, right? So whether people understand the blockchain or not, like everything about NFT or not, doesn't matter. All people would know that yes, they can buy something, sell something, right? And this is of the value, and that's the best usage of the thing, where you don't have to know the underlying technology and yet you can utilize in day-to-day life. Now, what is this? Why there is a shift? Like, what is this happening? If we try to analyze, if we try to think, there is something called bullish divergence within the charts. And what is that? That is, let's say the price action is decreasing over a period of time, but ideally, RSI, the relative strength index of any crypto or like let's say Bitcoin, actually goes down at the same time. But sometimes what happens, the price is going down, but the RSI indicator is not making that low. It is actually, if you try to form the line, it is curving upwards. That is the bullish direction, that bullish divergence. That ideally things should have been like, if this is down, the RSI should have been down. But here RSI is suggesting that the trend is about to reverse. There is a mismatch within the divergence, and we are about to see the reversal in the direction. Similarly, there is a bearish divergence when the price action is increasing, but RSI is moving downwards, right? So similarly, what I personally would like to say, that this is the data bullish divergence. That when you're seeing the price action low, everything should have been at the lowest, right? The adoption should have been decreasing, but we are seeing the increasing adoption, increasing usage, At the same time, the price action is decreasing. That would be the bullish divergence, and it's happening, guys. It's happening. So the reason to make this particular video, like, we have the audience, right? We would want the best for our audience. We would want to make that millions of dollars together by the next bull market. We want to give the best of the information. We might see another low. We are not saying that, okay, this is the exact bottom, but the chances of moving up from here is far higher, and the upside potential is far higher than the downside potential. So right now, probably you might be seeing the videos here and there. Some people are calling for 3k Bitcoin, 6k Bitcoin. Okay, the disaster is coming, and we happen to internalize the irrational fear. Try to think rationally. The downside, first of all, the chances of downside are far lower than the chances of upside, and the potential of downside. Let's say we have another downside. How much are we going to? Are we saying 14,000, 13,000? And upside, how much we can go, we all know, right? Eventually, if the things reverse. So the last thing you would want is to miss out on the pumps that is going to happen. So this is one of the greatest time probably to be investing, and to be holding. Do not be the one capitulating onto your favorite projects. No, you have already seen one of the worst, and we are seeing the adoption. The future is bright, and that's what we would want our audience to get into. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you would like to win one full Bitcoin, please watch the video. There'll be quick thing telling about, like, how can you qualify for that lucky draw that we are going to give away, and one full Bitcoin. And all you have to do is just sign up to the Binance exchange. The link is down below in the description. You click on that link, sign up to the Binance exchange, the best exchange in the world, the biggest exchange in the world. Buy your first crypto, and you will be qualified for one Bitcoin giveaway. We are going to make the lucky draw every single time. You will be part of that lucky draw just because you signed up once. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.